am so tired. It's been a while since I've made any videos. I'll sleep on the airplane. Welcome to Cape Town. Very, very tired. Should probably face that way so that the lighting is good for these basic film techniques and all that. I've been here a few days already. I haven't been very good at making videos, at commentary, and that's because I've been quite hectically busy with work. Just been sitting here in our little makeshift kitchen, catching up on some work, trying not to burn out, and in all honesty I've just been too tired to do a cool Cape Town vlog. Cape Town is an amazing place. It is beautiful, there's a lot of incredible things to do, and I've never been less excited to be here. But I'm going to try. Okay, in a few minutes we're going to go to the reason that I'm here in Cape Town. But first, coffee. Are your clothes flying away?
No, I look like I have a cape. Yay! Ooh, great.
How are you feeling for your upcoming session?
Terrified.
Which is why we are having workshops for UCT students, UWC students, as well as Stellenbosch students on the different days this week.
Justice, in the distinction often used by then South African Archbishop Desmond Tutu, can be restorative or retributive. Which path should Rwanda choose? What would it take for survivors to forgive, even if they would never forget? How many Hutus would have to be convicted? What sentences would suffice? While still based on the principles of traditional gacaca, these post-genocide courts had the authority to impose prison sentences. These sentences could be decreased or commuted to community service if the accused gave full confessions of their crimes.
Okay, we're going to go to that tree, and then the next tree, and then the next tree, and then we have to just run a bit until we find a balcony. Okay, we go there.
Okay.
Go. Whew. And that was the African Feminisms Conference and some classic Cape Town rain.
Quite an adventure.
Oof.
I can see again.
Oh yeah, your glasses are not so fogged up anymore.
Yeah.
Well, now that we're back, I can give a brief tour of our lovely little Airbnb here in Greenpoint.
Hobbit hole.
There we have
Harry Potter under the stairs.
the Hobbit hole, the Harry Potter hole, the one bedroom. This is the normal person's bedroom with a very abnormal bathroom. The light doesn't quite want to yeah, that's one of them. And GoPro, meet GoPro. But our little loft here is quite cozy. We have a little stove that turns itself on in the night. We have a lot of tablespoons and no teaspoons. We have a leak in the ceiling, but it is very nice and central to our venue. Let me show you the rest of the facilities. We have these lovely vintage Dutch style stairs. Which utilize a uniquely local form of architecture. Beyond that, there's plenty of room to relax and read. And for the rest of the day, Kate and myself will be drying off. So, it's time to enjoy Cape Town. Okay, let's go get gelato. Gelato Mania! So it's not Maria. This is the place.
So the first governor, Simon van der Stel, was 30 years the governor. And he bought his pool just for his own pleasure. He called it the dolphin pool. They have a private garden around the pool. They got a lot of plants and trees. There's a town called Stellenbosch. It's named after him, Simon van der Stel, Stellenbosch. Your family in Cape Town?
I have family, but they stay in Milnerton.
Where?
Milnerton. Yes, it's
Oh, coming to that side. Today the castle is 355 years old. It's got 5 corners, they don't got 4 corners. Now 5 corners is your best defensive design because there's no blind spots. The names of the corners are Leerdam, Buren, Katzenellenbogen, Nassau, and Oranje. This is the names of the 5 corners. And the first entrance of the castle was between Buren and Katzenellenbogen. Because keep in mind, the castle was on the beach and the sea was just outside the castle. So during the winter, the seawater used to flood up, block the entrance. Governor Simon van der Stel wrote in his journal, there was once such a storm in Cape Town. This whole port area was flooded with seawater. So he was the governor to decide, let's close down this entrance and open the one that he used today. And you can see most of the cannons are facing the sea, expecting the enemy to come from the seaside, the English.
I'm at the Milnerton flea market. Whenever I travel, I do like to get a local trinket of some kind. A lot of the places on the waterfront, they are very much focused on tourists. The flea market, on the other hand, is a weekly local event. You could call it a car boot sale. It's felt a lot more authentic to see people selling their little antiques, their arts and crafts, their plumbing supplies. And so I think I've got a couple of very cute little souvenirs that better represent Cape Town and the stuff I find interesting about Cape Town, the maritime history. I had to be very much self-restricting and self-limiting in my purchasing, because I still need to fit everything in a suitcase to go back. A lovely, authentic, windy end to my trip to Cape Town.